really cool is whenever it's snowing its ass off and they got thunder.
It's very cool.
Thunder snow. Tomorrow you're going to the doctor.
I should probably do that too.
We all need them. Not really, but... Whoa. I just wish there'd be a loud thunder boom, you know?
Like it for a while.
Oh.
She makes this really weird one where it's like pizza, pesto, and like mushrooms and spinach. It's actually really good. But instead of red sauce, it's pesto.
They do have some pretty good food.
Yeah, and she gets a free pizza every shift. That used to be our thing that we used to do. We used to always go to the Dollar General and get those like $4 frozen pizzas. And we did that every time we hung out. Now it's just like, I don't ever want to eat pizza if I don't have to.
What are you doing?
I've made those Chef Boyardee homemade pizzas, you know, since I was like 10. And like for my friends and everything, you know. And I made one time here. I don't use Chef Boyardee anymore. You know, I use Pizza Quick and make my own dough and stuff. And man, I put so much pepperoni on that thing that I could not eat another pizza for like 3 months.
It was small, but I'm gonna go look.
What? At what?
Ranch Bone Storage Shed.
Uh-oh. There's a lot of branches falling. I hear them all through the neighborhood.
Close and rain.
That's wind. I don't hear.
I felt the wind like droplets came through.
Oh. You like my chimes?
It is kind of nice. I want to get one of those rain drums. And I want to put it outside my room. I've been wanting to get one for a really long time. They're just kind of expensive.
These?
A decent rain drum is like $60.
These? They're called Corinthian bells?
They sound like church bells.
Yeah, exactly the point. We found them for $68. Like just a smaller version, you know? And I was like, okay, that's gonna be a gift for someone, you know? Oh yeah. You're not in my way if you want to go look out. Oh, that is rain.
Yeah, you see it over there.
I can't believe the other chimes aren't going. That's weird. I told her.
You told her?
Yeah.
You wanted it?
What?
You wanted that?
I wanted nice chimes, yeah.
Well, yeah. You like motorcycles?
A little. Well, I never ridden one.
Really?
I've always been a little scared.
Oh.
You're short.
Shit, I ain't gonna find nobody to give that bike to. She don't fly.
Well, yeah, I threw myself away from the bike.
Yep. Sure did.
I'm little. I can do that. From the back.
$2,000 damage.
That mud company, whatever it was, they came so quick with a check to my house.
It happened on Saturday. I paid the guy on Sunday. I got him an estimate on Monday. And on Friday, he was sitting in our living room writing a check for the entire month.
Oh, wow.
It was $7,000 just to give us grief money. You know how to drive in the rain?
Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for it to die down so I can get in. But I got some time, so.
Cool.
I ain't planning on going to work for a little while.
You better not. Yeah.
That?
It's a promise. Yeah, if you die, I'm gonna fucking kill you. You hear me? Yeah.
Ain't often a guy gets to die twice.
I'll figure it out.
Only a niece.
I'd be honored.
A great niece at that.
I know, you're so great.
Yeah, you totally are. I mean, like, in the best of ways, because you're our great niece and you're great.
And you know, Andy is going to be my great niece.
That's absolutely.
Yeah.
And no one else in the family, no one in the family can be a great uncle or a great aunt.
There you go.
That makes us
The greatest. Yeah.
I think it just makes you really old.
I just think it makes us like almost the same because we both said the same thing at the same time.
So she's still welcome to fuck off.
Hey, you said that.
That makes you really old.
Oh, well, yeah, okay.
I could be younger than you and still have that title.
Yeah, but that would make our family tree elite.
No, it just means I was a late comer.
Oh boy, I've been waiting 35 years.